Greetings gorgeous, welcome to Simply Sango. If this is your first time here, hajimemashite Sango desu. And if this isn't your first time here, wagwan, welcome back and thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to the Hakodate vlog part 2. While editing this vlog, I noticed that I did not talk much at all, so editing Sango will be popping up here and there to kind of explain what's going on and check in on you from time to time, okay? Hope you don't mind that. Alright, let's go! This is the Yukura Jinja. In the last Hakodate vlog, I explained that 2 more of my colleagues are also shrine manias. So of course, the first thing we did on the second day is visited another shrine. So in the shrine, they have a rabbit statue and you're supposed to pet it. You're supposed to think of a wish that's in regards to success and nourishment in your life. We all know that rabbits hop. The reason why there's a rabbit statue within this shrine is because back in the days, rabbits would signify hopping or elevating towards success. And they still do. So if you ever come across a rabbit at a shrine, make sure you give it a little bit of petting and make your wish. We're at a farm. We're gonna get some ice cream. 何しに来たんだっけここは? We're gonna make butter. Now we're gonna squeeze some tea. Cute. Hakodate Milk. Welcome. Hakodate Junior. I'm lactose intolerant. Over here.
Bruh.
じゃあ、出たら押してください。じゃあ、あとはですね、次のグループが持たないで、こう持ってください。こうです。これひたすらこうするだけです。じゃあ、15度作ってください。
溜まってくる。
ここに入れたのは止まるので、股ができづらくなるので。早い方は大体5分です。5分みんなで何してるんですか？
One eternity later.
だけ落としますので、手につけて。
本当だ、すごいバターだ。
進捗進んだよ。
うわー。 ブラウンシュガー。資産を守るために。They are so far away. Like right here. I can't zoom in any further. Oh, I can. So pretty. So pretty. なんて可愛いの。Like the rain makes it even more like moody, but like this is crazy.
それぞれお気持ちのお納めでございました。おっしゃっていただけるとお気持ちなんで。
Your destination will be on the right.
I really hope you enjoyed that view of that massive shrine. Moving on to the main activity of the day, horseback riding. This is my first time horseback riding and I really wished that I could have filmed, but I needed both my hands or to handle the horses, so I wasn't able to vlog. So here's a clip of me preparing to do horseback riding and the horses that we rode. We're gonna go horseback riding, but we can't take the camis, so I'll catch you guys later. We're now in the busier part of the city. Welcome to the third and final day of Hakodate Hokkaido trip. It's been raining thoroughly. Unfortunately, I am a rainy girl, and every single trip we've been on so far, it's been raining. Yes, this is our last day here. Today's plan though, we just finished checking out of the hotel and we're going to head to the fish market. Is it a fish market or just a marketplace? We're heading to the marketplace. I'm excited because I have recently been able to eat a few more seafood than I could have a couple of years back. So I'm excited for that. And after the fish market, I think we're gonna drive around, find some souvenirs for the people back home. We forgot to receive the parking ticket from the front desk, so I'm actually just gonna wait until they get here. And there she is. I have been having this crazy obsession over fish markets ever since our trip to Ishikawa. And also, ever since our Hiroshima trip, I have finally overcome my oyster fear. My fear of oyster. Is it a fear? I don't know. But I couldn't eat oysters until I tried oysters in Hiroshima. So now whenever I go somewhere, I always make sure that I go to their local fish market and have some fresh food. This cafe is our last stop before heading back to the airport, but to be honest, I think that this was my favorite experience out of the 3 days. As you can see, the ambience of the cafe is top tier and their coffee is as high quality as the whole cafe looks. I think I might have found my favorite coffee ever. If I were to ever go back to Hakodate, I wouldn't mind just stopping by at this cafe and going back home. That's how much I liked it. On that note, this is the end of the Hakodate vlog. Thank you so much for watching until the end as always, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!